All right, I'm going to do the last 3 practice problems with you. We're on page 11. Again, I apologize for skipping around, but I want to find practice for you. Determine the value of theta. You're going to have problems like this on your quiz on Friday. Again, this angle plus this angle, the angles come after the trig function, equal 90. So this angle, which is theta, plus this angle, which is theta, or theta minus 30, has to equal 90. And then just do it like simple algebra you know how to do. Clean this side up. Theta plus theta is 2 theta minus 30 equals 90. I want to get all my numbers on one side, so I'm going to add 30 to both sides. Then 2 theta is equal to 120. Get your thetas by themselves, so divide everything by that 2. And theta is equal to 60. Okay, the problems get quicker as you understand the algebra more. And plug that back in. Theta is 60. 60 minus 30 is 60. These two, or is 30. 60 minus 30 is 30. These two need to equal 90. Okay? Again, it's the same thing over and over again. Don't be confused. This angle plus this angle needs to equal 90. I want you to try that, but you should get theta is equal to 17.5. You can check my work for my work if you want, but theta is going to equal 17.5. You're allowed to get a decimal. It's okay. And then C over here, I want to show you this one. Don't be don't be feeling down that there is a fraction here. Don't let that deter you. Don't feel undetermined. Again, you know that this angle plus this angle equals 90. So theta divided by 3 plus 10. This angle plus this angle, so plus theta equals 90. And just treat your thetas like they're unknowns. Theta over 3, I can rewrite that as 1/3 theta. 1/3 theta plus 1 theta. Well, let's do that in my calculator. 1/3 theta, which I'm not going to do. I'll just add the thetas at the end. I'm putting this in my calculator. 1/3 plus 1 is what I want to know. 1/3 plus 1, and you want that in a fraction. If I give you a fraction, you give me a fraction. So if you click here, click convert to fraction, that's 4/3. So I'm combining my thetas. 1/3 theta plus 1 whole theta is 4/3 theta plus 10 equals 90. Take care, make sure all of your numbers are on one side. So I'm going to subtract 10 from both sides. So I have 4/3 theta is equal to 80. 90 minus 10 is 80. Now to get rid of this fraction, we know how to get rid of fractions. Don't let that deter you. In order to get rid of the fraction, we are going to multiply both sides by its reciprocal. Reciprocal means flip that fraction. So 3/4. 3/4. Multiply both sides by the reciprocal because we only cancel diagonally and we want these to cancel. The 3's are going to cancel and the 4's are going to cancel. That means the fraction is gone. But what you do to one side, you need to do to the other. So I have theta is equal to 80 times 3/4. And it's okay to have this. Put this in your calculator. Your calculator can handle that. Go to your calculator. Do 80 times 3/4. And theta is equal to 60. Theta is equal to 60. We will practice with this tomorrow, though, but make sure you get the notes down before then and check my answer key for the work for some of these problems. Let me know if you have any questions.